Paris Olympics. And India's medal tally at this point is 5 bronze and 1 silver. Some great news coming in from Paris Olympics. Wrestler Aman Sehrawat has won the bronze. He has clinched the bronze in 57 kg wrestling. He has defeated Puerto Rico's DT Cruz. Interestingly, Aman Sehrawat is just 21 years old and he is the youngest male wrestler at Paris Olympics.
कुश्ती होती है, कल हो गई, बाकी
कल भी लेके
बहुत हमारे इलाके का बच्चा ओलंपिक में ब्रॉन्ज लेके आ रहा है तो हमारे को खुशी है। हमारा बेटा जो है 21 साल की उम्र में उसका इतिहास रख दिया, हमारे को बहुत खुशी है। आप लोग जो है लो हाँ जी दादाजी इलेक भाई
Okay. All right, and I'm being joined by my colleague Himanshu Tripathi at this point. Himanshu, great news coming in. Another medal. This one's a bronze. Aman Sehrawat does India proud, clinches that medal, his first Olympic medals, and he's just 21 years old.
Oh, yes, absolutely. I mean, what is one say? This young kid, and not one of the most spoken about or talked about contenders as far as the medals go, but Aman Sehrawat, the way he's performed, yes, he did suffer a setback in the semi-finals, but the way he was absolutely like a gladiator in this bronze medal bout, winning it 13-5, only 21 years old, as you just said, and a great future ahead of him. Fantastic performance once again to come out and win the medal the way he has. Absolutely a stupendous achievement. Let's not forget that wrestling is one of the categories where India has traditionally been very strong, be it freestyle or Greco-Roman. Yes, the grapplers have not delivered the kind of results we were expecting. The Vinesh Phogat controversy or row notwithstanding, so she or herself had a fantastic run to the finals. But what Aman has done has truly been a great achievement, which cannot possibly be encapsulated in just in terms of his bronze. This young kid who was not touted to be one of the most favored medal contenders, the way he has come out, be it the pre-quarters, the quarters, or this bronze medal bout, I mean, kudos to him. Absolutely a fantastic achievement here.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.